In this video, we will show you how to prepare blanks for your E3 and how to mount and remove them. The machine can process the following blanks: thermoformed dental trays on a dental arch model with VHF-specific receptacle for attachment. Note that the maximum thickness and material for dental trays is specified in TrimCam. The maximum diameter of the dental tray material is 125 mm. Excess dental tray material may need to be roughly removed prior to machining. Each blank must be prepared individually before being mounted into the machine. First, you need to create a job in TrimCam with the dental arch model from your CAD application. TrimCam adds a VHF-specific receptacle to the bottom of the dental arch model for fastening in the machine. Then, import the modified dental arch model from TrimCam into your 3D printer software. The STL file is saved to the export directory that was assigned during the installation of TrimCam. Now you have to prepare the model for 3D printing in the software. To ensure that the contact surface on the underside of the finished dental arch model is completely flat and the holder is free of defects and residues, make sure of the following. Only place support structures on the flat underside if they are removable without residues. No support structures in the fixture for fastening. No raised lettering or markings. For hollow dental arch models, ensure that the wall thickness is at least 1.5 mm. Print the dental arch model. After printing, you have to prepare the dental arch model further. If you use a resin printer, to remove excess resin, wash the finished dental arch model with isopropyl before final curing. In particular, clean the mounting receptacle thoroughly until it is free of residues. Then allow the dental arch model to cure for the last time. Remove the support structures completely. If you use a filament printer, remove residues from the transitions between contours if necessary. For the final step, you now can thermoform the dental tray. After successfully preparing the blank, you can mount it into your E3. For this, move the axes into the default position with Dental CNC. Open the working chamber door. Notice, if blanks move or vibrate during machining, the result may become unusable. Make sure that the blank is firmly locked onto the blank holder and cannot move. Align the recesses in the base of the blank with the positioning pin and pressure piece of the blank holder. Place the blank on the positioning pin at an upward angle. Tilt the blank down until it snaps onto the blank holder. To remove the blank again, pull it straight off the blank holder. After you have mounted the blank, check whether you need to exchange the tool. Watch the next video in this series for further details. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.